bipolar, biquadratic, biquinary, birefringent discriminator, biscuit, bistable, bistable device, bistatic scattering, bit, bitmap, bitmap display, bitmap font, bitwise, bit by bit, bit by bit transfer, bit manipulation, black, black body radiator, blackout, black and white film, black and white television, black body, black box, black hole, black mica, black peak, blank, blanking, blank address, blank card, blank cell, blank character, blank disk, blank line, blank record, blank tape, blast, blasting, lead, leader, blemish, blend, blesser, blind, blind area, blind spot, blind zone, blink, blinking, blinking cursor, block, blockette, blocking, blocking factor, blocking layer, block size, block address, block cancel character, block check character, block data, block device, block diagram, block gap, block ignore character equals block cancel character, block length, block mark, block nesting, block parity, block prefix, block record, block retrieval, block search, block signal, block sort, block structure, block transfer, blow, blower, blow up, blue electron gun, blue phosphor, blue primary, blurred, blurred picture, board, bobbin, body, boilerplate, bold, boldface, bold italic, bolometer, bomb, bombardment, bomb out, bond, bonding, book, bookkeeping, Bookkeeping equals bookkeeping. Book size personal computer. Boolean. Boolean algebra. Boom. Boominous. Boost. Booster. Boot. Booth. Bootstrap. Bootstrapping. Bootstrap memory. Bootstrap program. Boot disk. Boot sector. Border. Boreal pole. Borocarbon resistor. Boron resistor. Bottleneck. Bottom. Bottoming. Bottom up. Boucherization. Boucherizing equals boucherization. Bound. Boundary. Box. BPS bits per second. Brace. Braces. Bracket. Bracket standard. Braid. Braided wire. Brain. Brainstorming. Break. Branch. Branching. Branch and bound algorithm. Brass wire. Brawn tube. Braze. Breadboard. Break. Breakdown. Breaker. Breaking. Breaking device. Breakover point. Breakpoint. Breakup. Break contact. Bremsstrahlung. Bridge. Bridgeware. Bridge circuit. Bridge network. Bridge transformer. Bridging. Briefcase computer. Brightness. Brightness contrast. Brightness control. Brilliance. Brittle program. Broad. Broadband. Broadcasting station. Broadcast. Broadcaster. Broadcasting. Broadcast band. Broadcast program. Broadening. Broadside. Broadside radiation. Broken. Broken circuit. Broken line. Broker. Brownout. Browse. Brush. Brush angle. Brush contact resistance. Brute force technique. BS == backspace. Bubble. Bubble chip. Bubble memory. Bubble sort. Bucket piston. Bucking coil. Bucking voltage. Bucking winding. Budget forecasting model. Buffer. Buffered channel. Buffered interface. Buffering. Buffering method. Buffer area. Buffer memory. Buffer storage. Bug. Bugging. Buggy. Building block. Building block principle. Built-in font table. Build-up time. Built-in. Built-in check. Built-in font. Built-in function. Bulb. Bulk. Bulk current. Bulk delay. Bulk eraser. Bulk lifetime. Bulk memory. Bulk processing. Bulk storage. Bullet. Bulletin board. Bulletin board system BBS. Bump. Bumper. Bunch. Buncher. Bunching. Bunching factor. Bunching voltage. Bundle. Bundled. Bundled software. Bunsen photometer. Bureautics. Buried. Buried cable. Buried layer. Burn. Burning. Burnout. Burnout power. Burn-in. Burn-in period. Burst. Burst duration. Burst signal. Buzz. Buzz bar. Business. Business computer. Business game. Business graphics. Business software. Busy. Busy flag. Busy line. Busy relay. Busy signal. Busy testing. Busy tone. Bus architecture. Bus controller. Bus interface. Bus line. Bus multiplexing. Bus network. Bus protocol. Bus system. Butterfly circuit. Button. Buzzer. Buzzer call. Buzzer signal. Bypass. Bypass capacitor. Byte. Byte addressable. Byte addressable storage. Byte aligned. Byte pointer. Byte stuffing. Byte synchronization. Bypath. Cabin. Cabinet. Cable. Cable conductor. Cable connector. Cable core. Cable television CATV. Cable terminal. Cable TV system. Cabling diagram. Cache. Cache buffer. Cache memory. CADDY. CAD computer-aided design and drafting. Cadence. Cadmium. Cadmium cell. CAD computer-aided design. CAD computer-aided drawing. Cesium. Cesium cathode. Cage. Cage antenna. Calculating. Calculation. Calculation program. Calculator. Calculus. Calibrated. Calibration. Calibration capacitor. Calibration curve. Calibration instrument. Calibrator. Calling relay. Calling signal. Call. Calligraphic graphics. Calligraphy. Calling. Calling frequency. Calling rate. Call address. Call by address. Call by name. Call by reference. Call by result. Call by value. Calorie. Calorimeter. Cam. Camcorder. Camera. Cameraman. Camera amplifier. Camera aperture. Camera shutter. Camera zoom. Camouflage. Chem computer-aided manufacturing. Canalization. Cancellation. Cancel character. Candle. Candle hour. Candle power. Condoluminescence. Canonical. Canonical form. Cantilever network. Can cancel. Cap. Capability. Capacitance. Capacitance resistance coupling. Capacitance resistance oscillator. Capacitive. Capacitor. Capacitor constant. Capacitor storage equals capacitor store. Capacitor store. Capacitor transformer gyrator. Capacitron. Capacity. Capital. Capital letter. Capstan. Capstan servo. Caps equals capitals. Caps lock. Caption. Capture. Capture of data equals data capturing. Cap line. Carbon. Carbon filament. Carcass. Carcinotron. Card. Cardinal. Cardioid. Card deck. Card index. Card input. Card puncher. Card reader. Card reader unit. Card sorter. Card to tape converter. Carrot. Carriage. Carriage control. Carriage control character. Carriage return. Carriage return character. Carrier. Carrier cable. Carrier channel. Carry bit. Carry digit. Carry flag. Carry operation. Carry over. Cart. Cartesian chart. Cartesian coordinate system. Cartridge. Cascade. Cascade amplifier. Cascade menu. Cascading. Cascode. Case. Case computer-aided software engineering. Case change. Case sensitive. Cashless telephone. Casing. Cassette. Cassette deck. Cassette player. Cassette recorder. Cassette tape. Cassette tape recorder equals cassette recorder. Casting resin. Casual user. Catalog UE. Cataloged data set. Catalog index. Cataphoresis. Catastrophic failure. Catcher gap. Catcher resonator. Catching diode. Category. Catena. Catenate. Catenation. Cath amplifier. Cathode. Cathodoluminescence. Cathodophosphorescence. Catholyte. Cation. Catwhisker. Cavalier microphone. Cavity. Cavity circuit. CD compact disc. CD-ROM. CD-ROM drive. CD-ROM player. CSIC knowledge. Cell. Cellular. Cellular phone. Cell address. Cell constant. CEMF. CENT. Centering. Centering coil. Center frequency. Centesimal. Centesimal graduation. Centi. Centile. Centralization. Centralized design. Centralized routing. Central computer. Central data processor. Central processing unit CPU. Center equals center. Centrifugal. Centripetal. Ceramic. Ceramic capacitor. Ceramic insulator. Cerebral neuron. Cermet. Surmet resistor. CE computer enhancement. CGA color graphics adapter. Shad. Shadless. Shadless perforation. Shadless tape. Chain. Chained access. Chained addressing. Chaining. Chain code. Chain command. Chain inference. Chamber. Change. Change over time. Changer. Channel. Channeling. Channelizing. Chaos. Chapter file. Character. Characteristic. Characteristic constant. Characteristic curve. Character code. Character crowding equals character packing. Character map. Character packing. Character recognition. Character recognition scanner. Character set. Character signal. Character string. Charactron. Charge. Chargeable. Chargeable cell. Chargeable time. Chargeable word. Charged area. Charger. Charge carrier. Charge coupled device CCD. Charging. Charging by distance. Charging by time. Charging capacitor. Charging time. Chart. Chart recording. Chassis. Check. Checker. Checking. Checking procedure. Checklist. Checkpoint. Check bit. Checkbox. Check character. Check code. Check digit. Checksum. Cheese antenna. Chelate laser. Chemiluminescence. Chief operator. Chief programmer. Child. Child segment. Chip. Chip transistor. Chirp pulse. Chi-square distribution. Chlorobenzene method. Choice. Choke. Choke input filter. Choose. Chop. Chopped impulse voltage. Chopper. Chopper modulation. Chroma. Chromacoder. Chromagate. Chroma key. Chromatic. Chromaticity. Chromatic aberration. Chromatron. Chroma band. Chrominance. Chrominance elimination. Chrominance synchronization. Chroming. Chromoscope equals chromatron. Chronograph. Chronoscope. Chronotron. Chug. Chunk. Cipher. Circle. Circle diagram. Circuit. Circuitry. Circuit breaker. Circuit capacitance. Circuit diagram. Circuit layout. Circuit tester. Circuit theory. Circuit topology. Circular. Circular aperture. Circular graph. Circular list. Circulating memory. Circulating storage. Circulator. Circumcircle. Circumflex. CISC complex instruction set computer. Citizens radio band. Cladding. Clad optical fiber. Clamp. Clamper. Clamping. Clamping circuit. Clamping tube. Class. Classification. Classify. Flaws. Clay conduit. Cleaning disk. Clean copy. Clear. Clearance. Clearing. Clearing instruction. Clear vision. Cleave. Click. Clicks. Client application. Client area. Client server architecture. Climatic test. Clip. Clipboard. Clipper. Clipper limiter. Clipping. Clipping circuit. Clip art. Clobber. Clock. Clocking. Clockwise. Clock cycle. Clock frequency. Clock generator. Clock interrupt. Clock pulse. Clock rate. Clock signal. Clock speed. Clone. Close. Closed circuit. Closed circuit television. Closed clause. Closed contact. Closed loop. Close control. Closing. Closing switch. Closing time. Cloud. Cloud clutter. Cloud pulse. Cloverleaf antenna. Cluster. Clustering. Clustering effect. Cluster bar graph. Clutch. Clutter. Clutter filter. Clutter noise. Clutter rejection. CMOS complementary metal oxide semiconductor. Course. Course adjustment. Course control. Course tuning. Coastal warning radar. Coat. Coated cathode. Coated lens. Coating. Coax. Coaxial. Coaxial cable. Cobalt. Coboundary. Cochain. Co-connected. Cocycle. Code. Codec coder decoder. Coded character. Coded data. Coded digit. Coder. Code conversion. Code generation. Code letter. Code page. Code translation. Coding. Coding convention. Coding system. Coefficient. Coercimeter. Coercion. Coercivity. Coflow. Cognate. Cognition. Coherence. Coherent. Cohesion. Coho. Coil. Coil aerial. Coil capacitance. Coimage. Coincidence. Coin box. Coin box vault door. Coin slot. Cold. Cold backup. Cold boot. Cold start. Collapse. Collate. Collateral. Collating sequence. Collation. Collator. Collecting. Collection. Collective region. Collector. Collect call. Collinear. Collision. Color. Color balance. Colorimeter. Colorimetry. Color. Color analyzer. Color background. Color fringing. Colortron. Color. Column. Column heading. Column separator. Column width. Coma. Comb filter. Combination. Combination bar. Combination frequency. Combinator. Combinatorics. Combine. Chromatic aberration. Combining file. Comma. Command. Command menu. Command character. Command line. Command list. Command-driven software. Comment. Commercial broadcasting. Common. Common area. Common base. Common language. Common logarithm. Common sense. Communicating. Communication. Communication agency. Communication bus. Communication control unit equals communication controller. Communication channel. Communication controller. Communication countermeasure. Communication device. Communication engineering. Communication equipment. Communication facility. Communication interface. Communication jammer. Communication line. Communication link. Communication monitor. Communication multiplexer. Communication network. Communication processing. Communication satellite. Communication science. Commutate. Commutating device. Commutator motor. Commutation. Commutator. Compact disc read-only memory CD-ROM. Compaction. Compact. Compact disc CD. Compactor. Compander. Companding. Compander. Comparator. Comparison unit. Compare. Comparison. Compass. Compass bearing. Compass deviation. Compass needle. Compatibility. Compatible. Compatible computer. Compatible hardware. Compatible software. Compatible thin film circuit. Compensated. Compensated loop. Compensated regulator. Compensated semiconductor. Compensating. Compensating circuit. Compensating coil. Compensating resistance. Compensating unit. Compensating winding. Compensation. Compensation theorem. Compensator. Compilation time. Competition. Compilation. Compilation unit. Compile time. Compiler program. Compiled language. Compiler language. Compile. Compiler. Compiling. Compiling program. Compiling routine. Complement tree. Complementary. Complementary circuit. Complementary color. Complementary pair. Complementary symmetry. Complementary transistors. Complementary wave. Complementary wavelength. Complement. Complement base. Complement operation. Complement operator. Complementer. Complete routine. Complete. Complete carry. Complete cycle. Complete image. Complete integration. Complete modulation. Completeness check. Completion code. Complex permittivity. Complex. Complex constant. Complex ion. Complex number. Complexity. Compliance. Compliant. Component. Component part. Compose sequence. Compose. Composer. Composite. Composite attribute. Composite cable. Composite circuit. Composite external symbol dictionary CESD. Composite filter. Composite gain. Composite instruction. Composite symbol. Composite transistor. Composition resistor. Composite video. Composition. Compound. Compound cable. Compound circuit. Compound device. Compress. Compressed. Compressed character. Compressed pulse. Compression. Compression of band. Compressor expander. Compression ratio. Compressor. Compromise. Computability. Computability theory. Computable. Computable function. Computalk. Computation. Computation by combinator. Computation by effect. Computation correction. Computation expression. Computation language. Computation method. Computation model. Computation module. CO axial cable. CO resident.